So hello, welcome to the second part of this Python of this Python course. My name is Marvin Okongo, and I'll be teaching you on how to create your first Python program. So let's go. So what is a program? First of all, a program is a set of instructions that tells the computer to perform a specific task. Programming languages are used to create programs. So we learned earlier on that Python is a high-level programming language that uses instructions to teach or tell the computer how to perform a task. So when you combine these instructions together, you will form a program. So how do we create our first program? Python is very easy and straightforward. We just used this how you create your first hello program. You just write print, then open brackets, then quotes, then you write hello world. So if you're using your IDE, let's say mine is PyCharm, you just press shift and F10, then your program runs, and you can see down here that it has returned hello world. So the print is a built-in function in Python to display things on the screen or console. What is a built-in function? Built-in function is a predefined function and can be used directly. Whatever you want to display needs to be written inside the brackets. It's in here. I'll put everything inside the brackets. And you have to open your quotes, either single or double quotes. Then you write your content inside the quotes. This is just a basic Python program. So Python is very easy, unlike if you are from other languages like Java or C++. You realize that you don't need closing columns or anything like that. This is just straightforward. You don't need to open your program, you just start. That's very easy. Our next topic will be comments. Comments are pieces of code ignored by the interpreter. So how do we comment in Python? To comment in Python, you just use a hashtag. So like, let me say, this is my first program. So you can see the compiler will ignore this, the interpreter will ignore this content in the hashtag. You can see down here, it's not written anywhere. So commenting is very useful because you can use comments to explain more about your code. So that's how you write comments. Python does not have a multi-line comment. So for every line you have to start with a hashtag if it's a comment. So look at this, that's how you write multi-line comments. There's no method for multi-line comments in Python, or you can use the triple quotes. So triple quotes, quotes without a value, without a definition, are ignored. So you can just write this is comment, but I will not advise on doing this, but this is how you can write a multi-line comment. So when you run this code, you can see nothing has happened, there is no error, the code is correct. So this is how you can write a multi-line comment, but be careful because Python does not have multi-line comments. So thank you. I'll be seeing you in my next lesson.